Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have a package from Jody Brown, and this is one of the grocery girls, and she makes project bags and sells them on Etsy. And I have one, but when I saw this one I knew that I needed a second one. It says, "Thank you for your order. I hope you love it, Mrs. Brown." And this is what she's known for. She'll like get a pattern and then she'll take a picture of it and then she makes her fabric out of that. So let's look at the bag. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my goodness. So it's a knit stitch, and I don't know the name of the yarn that she used, but it is really pretty. And it's a nice size bag. It's not too big, not too small. It's about 8 inches long maybe. And then the inside is a nice natural material, or natural colored material. And then it has drawstrings. And she says that the drawstrings will get easier, you know, with wear, which totally makes sense. And then it has little handles. So I think this is perfect. I am excited about this. So yay! Thanks for watching, and check her out on Etsy. I'll try to remember to leave the link below. Bye!